Welcome to CarVerse, where the automotive universe meets the open road. Today, we're retaking a closer look at a true 70s classic, the 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This car is more than just a vintage coupe. It's a symbol of classic American cruising, built in an era when cars were bold, comfortable, and full of personality. The 77 Monte Carlo stands out with its long hood, wide front grille, and smooth body lines that scream old-school confidence. It's not a car that needs to race to feel powerful. It's built to cruise in style, with that relaxed V8 vibe and a presence that turns heads everywhere it goes. This is the kind of classic you don't just drive, you glide in. In this video, we explore what makes the Monte Carlo so special: the timeless design, the clean stance, and the driving feel that modern cars can't recreate. The steering is smooth, the ride is comfortable, and the classic interior gives you that vintage luxury vibe. It's as the perfect mix of retro style and real American character. A car made for long roads, late-night cruising, and pure nostalgia. The 1977 Monte Carlo is a reminder of a different era when cars were built big, bold, and unforgettable. Chrome details, classic proportions, and a look that still feels iconic today. Whether you're a collector, a classic car fan, or just someone who loves vintage American rides, this one hits different. If you could own one classic American cruiser forever, would you choose the 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo or another 70s legend? If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe for more drives from the CarVerse.